Very good job.
I need roof sliders.
Just watch your arms and your hands. Don't cut them off. Keep your arms and hands inside the vehicle. I should lean more and that was comfortable.
I'm really surprised by people. Like I said, I've learned so much capability to do it really with your food.
Look at that truck sparkle.
And that's the thing, like, once I run the first one with high times, it's like, man, it's so much harder, but that's, I mean, I grew up, we were real Toyotas, but, I mean,
You ever see Lee drive his 4Runner over the farm race when it's muddy?
Sometime week after next, I'm going to be too busy this week.
no, I'm going to swap around there. Nice.
Beautiful.
You got a minute, team.
Did good.
That's fine. I got you.
All the big ones.
Oh, you saw.
There you go. Left and back up or right and forward.
Nice. Go, 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 go. Come on, Randy. Get it, get it. Go, 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 go. Hey, at least take half the gate.
Yeah.
Just
go straight up it.
Just go.
Just go on and get up there. Come on, Eddie. You got it. I had my foot.
Oh, no.
Trenton! Trenton! Plenty of time.
Nice job.
Beautiful.
Nice.
You're good.
Job. Try.
Okay.
Where's Dad? We're still going.
What's back? What's back? Come on. When you move again. You got a minute and 15 seconds.
And I can't cut it. It's huge. It'd be $1,000 truck. Good job for you.
That's how you make it pop out. Got a minute 10. Good job with that shakes.
Nice.
A little bit of it's me, but
Oh, yeah.
a lot of it's it.